Cheers. How you doing? This is the first full day we've done in Bali. We're in Sanur at the moment. And what have we done today? Well, we got up early and we went down to have a look at the sunrise. Bought a drone not so long ago, and it was the first flight as well. Have a look, see what you think. Well, it wasn't bad, was it? I was quite impressed with the first flight. Went for a few batteries, and it was only a cheap spark as well, a DJI spark. Nothing really expensive. And we're staying here at the Bali Nisari, I think they pronounce it, in Sanur. Quite a cheap sort of hotel accommodation place. It's right up our street. Some people who like posh places probably won't like it, but you know, having been to Bali, you know, on and off for the last 20 years, we like cheap, we like real Bali. This is real Bali. Very good. It's quite close to the main road, not too far from the beach. We like it. So we had breakfast. If I'm honest, breakfast was pretty average. After breakfast, we got up and we wandered up and had a proper Bali coffee up the road, a place called Rib. I think it was called. Really nice place, really nice Bali coffee. Then we got a Bluebird using the Bluebird app, and if you ain't got it, that's my tip of the day. Get the Bluebird app, book the cab, no hassles. He turned up, picked us up outside the cafe, the Warren, and we went up to Big Garden Corner. Big Garden Corner now is, reviews online say it's all about kids. I don't think it is. You'll see some footage now, have a look at it and see what you think. think you've probably seen that and thought, yeah, that's not bad at all, is it? We enjoyed it. We spent a couple of hours up there, 75,000 to get in, and that included a free coffee, tea, or soft drink, whatever you wanted. So all in all, I think it was quite a deal. We went up there relatively early, maybe saw 6 other people in there. After we came back from that, we did the normal trip to Hardy's, as everybody does. You get your mosquito coils, your tan. We also bought some of these. We got a camper van back in the UK, and we're just about finishing off. And this is our nibble trays. They were 2,000 rupiah each. 2,000 rupiah, and that's nothing, is it? So yeah, we got a couple of them for the camper van. If you like camper vans, VW camper vans, check out some of my other vlogs, because I'm really into my VWs. Having a VW camper van, and we've got a VW Golf and a VW Beetle in the family, so we've got a few bit of that. That's beside the point. Anyway, after Hardy's, we went down to the beach again, hired some push bikes. Got the night market now. I'll do some filming up there, have a look and see what we think. Now, hope you like it, and if you do, carry on liking us, watching us, and doing whatever you're going to do. See you later, guys. Bye.